Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You remember the video where I taped a Nerf ball to the Roomba, right? I did that like 30 seconds ago. Now, I have that video playing in the background. Hope you guys can't hear it, because that would be stupid. Here, let me just close that. Boop. Okay. Well, today, we're going to be putting you on top of the Roomba. Like that. Perfect. Now you can see everything the Roomba is seeing, practically, yes. Yes, you are. And let's hope this works. 3. I gotta clean up a bit so that it doesn't suck up things it's not supposed to suck up. It can suck up tape, right? 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 It'll be fine. I think. I think. I hope. Ow! That RC card just landed on my foot. Okay, I think you're seeing everything on the ground the Roomba can see. I'm just picking up a couple of Nerf bullets. Yeah, just a couple. Just a couple, you know what I mean? Just a couple. Just a couple. You know what I mean? Just a couple. Just a couple. Yeah, just a little tiny bit. Okay. Moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. Hope this looks cool. Right from my foot from it slows down. It's on. There he goes. Okay, your guys are back on. You fell off. Tilt that down now. Yeah, slow down. You guys can't fall off. This is awesome. Man, when I post this, guys, it's got to be so cool. I'm just gonna let this thing go for like another 2 hours. This is gonna be awesome. 2 hours of this. This is awesome. Guys might even see it. It's going to suck up the tape? It sure did. Woof! Gonna hit me. Get away from me, stupid thing. Hi guys. Oh, this is so awesome. This is one of the coolest things I have ever done. Look, you're right here in the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen, guys. Ruin the vlog. Actually, it's in my dog. Yeah. But I have room by my house, so I can use that one too. Anytime. You know what, guys? I think that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed that. The hasters looked so cool. Anyways, see you guys in the next one.